this idea that to be effective L&D people in the future, you need to upskill in AI and tech to the level where you can be building things yourselves. Now, there's a level, fine, there's always a level. Making content isn't it, by the way. In case you're watching and you're thinking, you know what, I can make images in Midjourney, I'm good. No, I don't agree with that. But this idea that we're going to have L&D departments that are going to upskill to the point where they're going to be talking about AI, they're going to be implementing large language models, they're going to be building agents in marketplaces, and they're going to somehow have a seat at the table next to the IT team who also do all of that stuff. It's not going to work, because you're just going to show up and you're going to go, you know what, we can do all these things. And the IT teams will go, so we can do these. We already have a department that does this. We've got all of these teams, all of this infrastructure. Why don't you guys go away? So there's like that obvious consequence to that. And on the flip side, you've got the L&D teams who should be looking after people and cognitive needs and human hierarchies and all of these other things. And then there's the glue that holds all of this together, which is the data piece. What are the messages that we need to curate? What are the things that we need to maximize as good behaviors, and all of the things around skills, which I've already given my opinion on. But all of these things are data. So we have basically three areas. We have the human side, we have the tech side, and we have the data side.
Yeah.
And it's going to be interesting to see where L&D departments decide to go in those three bits. There's a fourth bit, which I generally don't talk about. It's only talked about in the darkest corners of the internet. And that is that I suspect in the near future, because I also I don't just do AI in L&D, I also do AI in marketing and customer service and a lot of other, comms and other things. Now, what I'm saying is all of these departments are basically, we make media to elicit a behavior, and we release our media on a particular technology infrastructure, whether it's social media, whether it's something else, to try and elicit that behavior. And then we gather data on the interactions of people with media. Learning's that's basically what corporate learning is. That's basically what marketing is. And it's basically what external communications are. So all of these things seem to me that they all are going to be using AI for content generation or person-to-person conversation. And they're all going to have some kind of architecture that allows them to do that. There's a future for me where all of these departments are basically one department, the media department or something. And then they just go off and do that.